Hey y'all, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how I installed this 20-inch wig from Cad Black Hair. And so as you can see, I have already colored the hair and bleached the knots. So I have braided her hair straight back, and now I'm applying coconut oil to her scalp. As far as oil, make sure you apply it at least 2 inches behind her hairline. If you get oil on her hairline, it will affect the hairspray or glue that you use. I put on a tan cap and applied makeup from ear to ear towards her hairline. After that, I soaked it with Got2b hairspray and let it dry for 15 minutes. After it was dry, I cut off the excess cap and wiped her forehead with alcohol. Now I'm putting on her wig so I can see exactly where I want it to lay and where I want to put the glue. So I apply the glue in sections. I do one half of her hairline first and then the other half. Once that's dry, I repeat that step 2 times. I either use popsicle sticks or the long metal clips to apply the glue because they both keep everything intact. Now I am applying the wig. I put the wig directly on the glue. Once you have the wig down on that side, press down on the hairline. Now comb the hair back, leaving the baby hairs out and pressing down to melt the hairline. I always pull on the hair just to see if anything is going to lift. If it does, just put a little glue on it and press it down. Laid, check. So I always comb the baby hairs down and lift them up so I can make sure it's laid with the baby hairs and without. So I just tied an elastic band around her edges, and now I'm going to sew the back of her wig down using needle and thread. I'm telling y'all, Kee have been feeling herself this whole video. Just wait till the end. So now that the wig is sewn down, I'm going to comb it out and put some layers in it. So I actually decided I'm gonna go ahead and do a 180 layered haircut. The layers are still a little choppy, so I'm going in with my shears and doing some point cutting. So I took the elastic band off. Now I'm going in with a razor to cut the baby hairs. Cut the baby hair at least 1.5 inches so you can have enough room to swoop them. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I am going to start swooping the baby hairs using mousse. My favorite mousse is Nairobi and Tropical Roots. They both keep the lace down and give you enough time to be able to work with it before it starts melting. So now I'm doing the same thing on this side. I'm laying the baby hair down using the Tropical Roots mousse. The baby hair placement really depends on the person's hairline, if you ask me. After I finished the baby hairs, I tied it down again with the elastic band. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl her hair. I'm going to give her some loose curls because we're going for a very body, giving volume, giving body, giving grown woman. That's what we're doing in this look. That was my last curl, so let's comb her out and take this elastic band off. Did y'all catch her reaction? Whoa. Yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. Keep combing them curls out, keep laying it, keep playing with it, keep doing what you gotta do until it look how you want it to look. This is it right here. This is it right here. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, y'all, this is the final comb out. This is laid, honey. I mean, the baby hairs, the cut, the curls, the color, everything just looks nice. Look at this. She was trying to be careful at first. I'm like, girl, if you don't play with that hair, get into it. Okay, y'all, we are done with this install. So go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all, appreciate it.